Bass boys, we fish for a living.
Let's get some fish. We're gonna be getting some action now.
Okay guys, this is the Bass Boys here. Can't really see the screen too much on my phone, it's kind of sunny out, but yeah, you can see Ryan right there. We're going to the river, Dupage river spot, and we're gonna be going at it for like the third time, or was it the fourth time? Third?
Well, the first time was in a try, really.
Yeah, so we're gonna be heading over there, and we will see you guys then. Bass Boys out. Alright, hello guys.
If I take it off, I'll be showing time.
Yeah, so Ryan's here. We're back at our spot that you guys, or that we said we were going to. You guys can see, same spot as usual. And we're gonna begin our fishing. So I'm gonna get set up, and then I'll get the video on. We'll try to get some video of us catching fish too this time. It's kind of hard to record and fish, but because you don't want the time.
There's like a bass over there every time.
Yeah. Well, look at that.
Yeah.
There's something moving over there. It's always over there. But yeah, guys, it's hard to record and fish because we don't want to make our videos like so long, because our videos have been getting pretty long. So yeah, we'll see you in a little bit when I'm done setting up and ready to fish. I think it's a bullhead. Alright guys, I have something right now. I think it's a
bullhead. Yeah.
What is this? The bullhead.
Bullhead. Oh, look how tiny that one is.
Tiny bullhead, guys.
God.
What is it? Yeah, it's a tiny bullhead.
Yeah, kid, tiny bullhead.
So tiny bullhead right here, guys. I've got one right away. You guys. So we got one bullhead so far, and I just had a bite and I wasn't watching.
That was a bullhead too.
Oh, it looks like you got something.
No, just.
They're definitely here, man. Bullheads are here again, guys. But we just don't know what that big fish is. What we can get it to eat. We can catch it. Maybe catch some more. Heads up, don't forget to hit our subscribe button. You guys are watching our videos for the first time. We'd really appreciate it. And Ryan would too. Right, Ryan?
Oh, we do.
A lot. I mean, if we could just get 5 likes on this video, then I would be really happy. 5. That'd be awesome. And then just using that because people say that all the time on YouTube, but that'd be awesome if you get 5. Maybe the bullheads aren't liking my worm because they already took half of it off. Here, man, I'm just gonna pause the video. I'm getting a little too long right now. God, I freaking missed another fish. I already missed 2 fish. Well, Ryan missed, I think, 1 today, right?
What?
Did you miss any, or did you get a bite today?
Well, I got the creek chub. It just came up.
Oh yeah, see a creek chub. So yeah, I missed a fish again, and now I have to get a new worm. See you guys soon.
Sunfish just right here.
You got it right in his eye, sort of.
Ew, that's gross.
Not right in his eye, but it's like next to it.
Oh.
Yeah, I got another sunfish. I didn't get on video. It was way too quick. But
God. Right
yeah,
there.
I'm just gonna unhook this. I'm not even bothered even making the video.
What was that?
Having a little bit more action right now.
Where?
We're in the chub spot. Right there.
Like right here.
Yeah, they're like right there. See? See? Mine too.
Oh, you got one.
Oh, I got another one, guys. Wait, is that a creek chub?
Yeah.
Freaking real. I think it's a creek chub.
Yeah.
Oh, we're putting it in there. Guys, we got another creek chub here. This is the 3 fish that we've been catching here have been chubs. This is a perfect size bait for chubs right here, guys. This is like perfect. Should wait? We'll save this for later because we don't know what's gonna happen at night. Where the hell that fish was that he's jumping? What's it eating? We don't know what that fish is eating over there because there's something big over there. But yeah, creek chub. So we got bullhead, a couple bluegills, and the catfish. So Bass Boy's out right now. Another sunfish. Me and Ryan both have them right now.
God, quit moving.
Once again, we have 2. How big is yours?
Probably the same size, kid.
Yeah, let's see. I'll put them in the bucket, yeah. There we go, I got mine.
God, how do you get yours out?
What you gotta do is you gotta push down towards the mouth. That was what I was saying. Is this still recording? I think it is. You should really get that out. Hold them like right here. Now I'm gonna get a good grip on them. There you go. Starting to get it now. You gotta get like a nice quick tug. You gotta hold them. Come on, me try to get it. You got it. You almost got it.
I have a problem holding them. They're so slimy. Can't get it. It's like it's stuck right there.
Here, give me the fish. Or just let him down.
Put them in.
In the bucket.
Yeah, put them in.
Oh, it goes right there. So yeah, guys, 2 sunfish. Bass Boy's out. Got a fish right
Creek chub.
Right on cue. Oh, it's not a creek chub. It's a dolphin sunfish.
Oh, look how small this thing is.
Tiny.
Jesus.
He's gonna be friends with the catfish in there.
Yeah, do it.
Hold on. So yeah, we got that one.
Wait, with the catfish
another-
eat that?
No, probably not. It's too small. But yeah, I'm just gonna go unhook this because it's nothing special. So yeah, see you later. For now, keep you updated. Hello guys, Bass Boys here. We decided to cut Ryan's stuff off. We're gonna put the catfish rig. Haven't seen the video. I showed you guys how to do this, and I'm doing it right now with this pole. We're gonna try to go after a big fish. We're thinking it's a carp. We don't know, but we're gonna fish it on the bottom. We're gonna put our sensor on there too, fish alarm. So we'll know when something hits it. If you weren't paying attention to it. Try to just lay it on the bottom. Alright, guys. So pretty much prepared. Just gotta get the hook on and get back to the video. So we had this all set up. Recording. Bass Boys is back here. We're still in this hole right now.
Not even sure if we're gonna catch this thing.
But there's multiples of them. Whatever that is. For some reason it wouldn't bite a bobber over there. Maybe it's...
Whoa!
Turn the bait gear off. Grab that pole and hold it. Hold that pole. Don't do anything. Reel it. Reel it tight. Is the bait gear on?
Yeah. No.
Just hold your pole now. I heard that thing.
I know, it's a bait feeder. That's what it does.
Yeah. That's all. You get it tight. You gotta put your pole on though.
There it goes. Try grab it.
Yeah, kid, get that. Hurry. Got it?
Yes. Holy!
Got it on camera, guys. Is it big?
No.
Reel it in. Keep reeling. Reel it right. It might be running towards you. It is.
Oh.
It is pretty big. It's
Whoa.
it's a big carp.
Oh.
Oh, it comes off.
Kidding me.
It was it was like one of those bigger carp.
It's a big carp I just caught.
Yeah,
It came right off.
It made a big splash right there. We're definitely trying to get, because there's more. So it's pretty disappointing to get it in. Hasn't happened to them all day. But yeah, we're definitely gonna put that back out there. That one took it down. So we're gonna set it back up, get another worm on there, and get it back out there, guys. Bass Boys. Okay, guys, Bass Boys here, and so our day didn't go like horribly terrible. Maybe for Ryan, did a little bit.
Yeah.
He had some bites. He had one.
All I caught was a bluegill, and I had 2 creek chubs, but they popped right off. Same thing with the big carp over there, popped right off in front of me.
Yeah, a big carp on it over there. That's the first one we've gotten over here. That was pretty big. It was like
today was my worst.
Yeah, I mean, actually, no, it wasn't your worst because last time you caught a couple too, didn't you?
No, I caught 3 bullheads.
Yeah, but yeah, guys. So today it wasn't like terrible, but it was.
For me, it was. Not for Jake,
Not
though.
for me, really. I mean, I caught quite a bit of fish. Bullhead. Well, only one bullhead though.
You caught 1, so yeah.
I missed multiple bullheads though too.
All we
also.
caught was 1 total bullhead. That's weird.
You caught a chub.
Well, I caught 2, but they popped off.
You caught 1 chub though. Remember?
No, that was you.
No, that was me. Oh yeah, it was me. So yeah, I got the chub. But yeah, guys, not a bad day for Ryan. But we will definitely be fishing again next time. See you later, guys. Bass Boys out.
God.